So, hello everyone, welcome to my second part of the third day edition for this week. And we are going to do the actions that I do to do the projects that I've been saying in my first part of my day edition. So, I will walk you through of initializing a new repository committed, then I will use to revert back to the history. So first of all, I will be using GitHub, which is a platform that uses Git, alright? So without using Git directly, it is very hard to use Git directly because it doesn't, the UI UX it isn't really great. So I will use GitHub, not GitLab. So I will go to the Your Repository section. Let's create a new repository. Let's name it week 17. Alright, let's set it to private. Oh no. Alright, not ready. So I have created a folder called week 17 and put in Visual Studio Code, which I very much prefer. So first of all, let's say we have a hello.py with your pattern. Let's say equal 10. Okay, we save this. We open the terminal, a new terminal. And now let's follow this. First, git init to initialize our repository. Then we use git add. Git add readme, that it means that we will add a readme file to it. And I don't need a readme file. Readme file is just for the introduction, things like that. Just git add dot to add everything. Then git commit and first commit. Our message is first commit. Let's change it to first. Alright. Okay. Now let's create a new branch. My mouse is having some errors. Okay, let's name this main. Alright, fine. Now we add our origin. I have already explained all of this on my first part of my third day edition. Git push origin main. We push it. Done. Now we just need to refresh the page, and you have here a new week 17 repository which has hello.py in it. Open this file, a equals 10. So what happens if we change this? We change this, for example, b equals 2, and then a plus b. Alright. Now, you see this marked yellow, meaning that it hasn't been committed. The short way to do this is just verify without any method, just test, message test. And now commit it to this. Okay, so now refresh it. See, directly, instantly, it will commit to a equal 10, b equal 2, a plus b. That is as easy as that. That is how you commit a new repository using, so I don't use Selenium for the simplicity of the demo. So I won't be using Selenium. So how can we revert back to history then? To revert back to history, we go to this button, previous. We have two commits popping on right here. See, first test. We click on the, no, let's copy. Let's copy this. Let's copy it. Alright. Now, using the, no, not test, first. Okay. Now, git revert m for message and paste in the code. Oh, wait. I'm sorry for this. Git revert. Git revert m. You need to put a number bigger than 0 first. Also, paste in the code. Okay. What happened? Deleted in empty tree and modified in head. Git revert continue. Oh, sorry. So let's see if it worked right now. No, it doesn't work. That is very weird. So let me try to add a new file. New file called test.py. Nothing in here. And we will commit, revert first. Okay, now week 17 right here. Okay, it is working. Test.py. Nothing here is right. So 3 commits. I want to be on the test commit then. Okay, git revert number 1 this. Oh, sorry. Git revert number 1 that. Alright, now it is working. Now this is working. That is really weird. So now our code, why doesn't it revert? Revert first. Modify, it only modified the hello.py. So now what happened if I revert back to this first? Okay, so git revert -m1, copy the URL. Sorry. Actually, I don't need to write it again. I just need to copy this thing. Copy. Oh, right. So I got a hand of this now. So it won't revert on here, it will revert this thing on the code itself too. So you see, before it was b equal to and then a plus b. Now when I revert it, it would change the whole code itself. It won't change on this commit. So we revert back to the history. So not quite efficient. If we are able to both revert on this, then alright. So nothing really big. So I think that would be all for my 30th edition for this week. Second part of the 30th edition for this week. Thank you for listening and see you next time.